It is used to record the return of credit purchases. So what is the Purchases Returns Journal? I'm Thomas Harwood and welcome to the Accounting Student, where we create free and short videos so that you can learn about accounting. Today's video is looking at what is the Purchases Returns Journal. Most businesses that buy goods or services on credit will normally have a small amount of them returned to the supplier. The goods or services may be returned to the supplier if they have faults or if they do not meet the requirements of the business. The returns of goods or services are known as purchase returns or returns outwards. When the business returns the goods or services to the supplier, a debit note is sent to the business. A debit note is a document which provides the amount of an allowance given to the business by the supplier, and it can look like this. The debit note totals are entered in a book of original entry. In this example, a debit note would be entered in the Purchases Returns Journal. The Purchases Returns Journal can also be referred to as the Returns Outwards Daybook, and it will usually look something like this. Starting from the first column, the date of the transaction, i.e. the return of the purchase, is entered in here. Then in the next column is the name of the supplier which the purchase returns was made to. The third column will have the debit note number, and the fourth column will be the folio, which provides a quick reference of where the other accounts can be found in the accounting system. For example, the general ledger will be GL, the sales ledger will be SL, and the purchase ledger will be PL. The final column is the amount of the transaction. Let's add information of weekly purchase returns. So each return of purchases in the Purchases Returns Journal will be posted separately in each individual supplier and creditor accounts on the debit side, which are held in the purchase ledger. And to complete the double entry, the total of the Purchases Returns Journal, which is £130, will be entered on the credit side of the Purchases Returns account in the general ledger. So that was the explanation of the Purchases Returns Journal. If you enjoyed it, press the like button. If you have a question you want answered, leave it in the comments below and we'll try our best to answer it. And if you're not already subscribed, make sure you click the red subscribe button to keep updated with the Accounting Student. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.